Oh, hello, Discover Science friends. Oh no, my towel is all wet and it's dripping. I need to use it, but it's so... Whoa, how can I dry it quickly? What? A spin dryer? Spin dryer? A spin dryer can help me dry this quickly? Really? How does it work? Oh, let's go find out. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Discover Science. Today's materials: baseboard, basket, sponge, container, holder, tape, tape with a hole, motor and battery case, batteries, and water. Let's make a spin dryer. First, we have our base here, and we're going to put this piece right into the base. Make sure this side that's open is facing here, okay? All right. Now, take the long piece of tape, take one side off, and stick it to the bottom, like so. And then take the top off, and we're going to take this battery piece and we're going to stick it right there, okay? Now make sure that, look, this side is long and it's going to face here, and we're going to put this piece right there. This piece we're going to stick into here like this with the top sticking up. So we're going to put it right here. Okay, and then let this go out and put the battery and the motor right here, okay? So it should look like this, okay? All right, good. Now we have another piece of tape with the hole in the middle. Take out the hole and then take one side off. And then we're going to stick this on top of here through the hole and make it stick to that piece. Ta-da! Okay, now take off the tape on the top. Now this part is sticky, right? Take this clear piece, put it on top, and push. There we go. So it's stuck on there and it won't fall out, right? Okay. Now take the spinner and put it, there's a hole here, match it together, make it go inside. Inside you go. Okay. So it should look like this. All right, looking good. Now, we're going to take our batteries, and do you know how the batteries go? There's a flat side, and there's a side that pops up. Positive, negative. There's a side that has hoops, and then there's a flat side. We'll take the flat side and put it on this side, and the side, the positive side that pops out, goes into this side. Try. This. And if you need help, you can ask your teacher. Okay, there's one side, and then the other side, opposite way. Okay, now take your sponge and we're going to put it in our water and make it wet. Look, if I squeeze it, woo, it holds a lot of water, right? Again, make it wet. And then put it in here. Don't squeeze. Put it straight into the spinner. Now, dry my hands. Now we're going to tush it on and off and see what happens. Here we go. Ready? When I push it on, it should spin, and then watch what happens to the sponge and watch what happens to the water. Whoa! Wow! Okay, stop. Make it stop. Look, the sponge is dry, no water, and actually the water is in here. Woo, look. Okay, let's try again. Okay, dry my hands. Make sure your hands are dry before you touch this, and then on. Wow! This is fun. Think why. How does a spin dryer work? Now it's spinning around and then the water comes out, and when I turn it off, it's dry. It's because of circular force. Circular force is when it spins so fast, all the water and everything goes out and it gets dry in the middle. This is very similar to when we use a dryer at home. After it finishes washing, then it spins around. Depends on what kind of washer you have. Mine at home goes like this, but maybe some go like this. Anyways, it spins, 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 and all the water passes out, and then the clothes are dry. It's not absolutely dry, but most of the water is gone. This is the same as an umbrella. If you have a wet umbrella and you close it, it's still wet, right? If you keep it open and you spin it around, all the water will go out and it will dry much quicker. Also, when you go to an amusement park and get on a spinning ride, what happens? All the chairs go up and out, and then we spin around, and then when it stops spinning, the chairs come back down.